We've just completed our first barbecue pit at Fisher's of Men. This is the Palmer pit. It's a barbecue pit, no smoker, with a fire pit. The fire pit is made out of 1/2-inch steel. It's got a spring-loaded catch on it. If you notice, the steel is a full 1/2-inch thick. It won't burn out. We have a breather right here. Have various degrees of air to go in. They have heavy-duty hinges, all bullet hinges, greasable. Up here is a hot plate. This is not made to really cook on. It's made to keep your sauces warm so they don't scorch. If you note, all the welds are professionally done. Come over here. We have the barbecue pit. The barbecue pit has a removable grill for cleaning underneath. All our pits come with a temperature gauge, thermometer. That's one thing about this fire pit. It works two ways. It works as a fire pit. If you notice, it's got a breather down here. If you want to grill hamburgers, grill steaks, simply remove the shelf from the bottom. Becomes a grill. Not use it as a grill, simply stow it away back underneath. All our pits either going to come with trailers or wheels, depending on whichever how big they are. We'd be glad to make one for you. Let us know. Thank you for watching.